it, boys. We did it. And we are back at exactly where we left off from. The engine is in the car. And now, basically, we gotta finish it up. Connect all the connectors. We've got TJ and Derek helping out today. And we have all of the necessary things to basically start up. We have the oil, Lucas oil. Again, as mentioned previously, we got the 5W50 motor oil about to be put in there, as well as the Motorcraft orange coolant, which I love. The orange coolant's one of my favorite here. And then we're gonna go ahead and connect the cold air intake, this beautiful, nice chrome one. This is what really makes the Supercharger scream as well. And then also this big fat filter. We're also going to fill it up, the Supercharger, with the necessary fluids to run on. So we're gonna go ahead and fill that up and then try to basically fire her up on the stock tune that we currently have on the car. We'll see if it runs or not, but basically just connecting all of the connectors here, and then we are going to try firing her up. All of the wires, I think, is pretty much connected thanks to TJ. And now we're gonna fit on this big old throttle body. Big old throttle body. Got the motor right here and basically got to put it right on top and put the cold air intake and the filter on, and we'll be good to go. Time to go ahead and oil up the Supercharger. Alright, we got the Supercharger oiled up. Now we just got to go ahead and put in the oil. Again, Lucas Oil 5W50 to break it in, as well as running it after. So let's go ahead and fill her up. And we have the cold air intake finally on. It's a bit smudgy. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this coming forward, but we've got the heat shield, the beautiful, massive blue filter with the chrome finish on the cold air intake, and the chrome throttle body, 106mm single blade. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up all these connections back here, and then I need to do the splicing for the coolant for the Kenne belt, and then put some fuses in, and we're gonna be there.
A few moments later.
Basically everything is connected and filled up. Oil the Supercharger, oil the motor, put some fluid in the trans, and now I gotta go ahead and fill it up with the coolant, and then basically it is ready to start up. So let me go ahead and fill this up and we'll see if she turns on or not. Alright, all the fluids are filled. Cleaned up the engine bay a little bit, as well as took off the heat shield because that was getting in the way. But everything is basically connected. All the underneath is on, the exhaust is on and all that. And now we're gonna go ahead and do the first startup of the build, see exactly how she starts up. Hopefully she starts up good. It's still running the same tune I had last time, and then I also upgraded the injectors to the ID 1700 and the big old throttle body. So we'll see if it startups right away. Hope so. If not, we're gonna go ahead and get a tune and break it in. So let's go ahead and do the first startup of the build. All right, first startup of the build. See what she does. Hopefully doesn't catch on fire or anything. I had some worries there, but here goes nothing. Check engine light right there, but she started up right away on the stock tune, which is incredible. Let's go, baby. And she lives. I cannot believe it actually started up on the same tune that I had last time. That is absolutely insane. Everything could have gone more perfect. It literally started right away, which is, I've never even heard about this starting up right away like this. Absolutely insane. My dream come true. Honestly, I'm speechless. I am absolutely speechless. Baby, we're good. She's so much louder. Here it is, one more, baby. The beast. Lots of exhaust right here, but we finally did it. Hard work pays off, and I'm so happy I finally got this done. We did it, boys.